Hello everyone, this is Mona. I have to tell you, being a mother is so rewarding. But being a mom hasn't stopped me from following my dreams. I am an Instagram influencer and entrepreneur, and the very most, I am a mom. I couldn't take care of myself like how I used to take care earlier. That's when I came across VCare's home care treatment. I have been using the Skin Renewal Therapy Kit and must tell you, it has done wonders. Skin Renewal Lotion.
Help with anti-aging, boosts collagen synthesis, and protects skin from DNA damage. It also helps with reducing dryness and flackiness by increasing hydration.
Daycare Lotion.
It improves the overall appearance of the skin, and it also protects from UVA, UVB rays, and sun-induced damage.
Insta Lift Lotion.
It has biological active ingredients that help collagen production, skin lifting, improving skin elasticity, and reduce wrinkles.
Fibroblast Growth Factor.
It helps with reconstructing your wrinkles, fine lines, and even skin tone.
Why are you still waiting? Go get yours now.